Today I'm showing you how I managed to crash a drumming band and followed them all the way to a favela in Salvador for a pre-carnival party. This will show you the true spirit of this festive city of Brazil, the carnival behind the scenes and the welcoming people for any occasion, especially when it comes to dancing and having a good time. So now we're walking, I don't know where. Is that for me? Hey, I got a t-shirt! Let's see it. Woo, part of the crew. Capoeira. Bloco Afro. So today I'm pretending to be a drummer from this crew. Amiga! With Bastia.
Pronto, estamos listos para hoy.
And his group, this is Chile, representing Chile. What's up? Javiera. Hey, are you ready?
Yes, I
am
ready.
So I'm gonna go behind the scenes in their truck, see them drum, and yeah, I'm like the imposter. So let's see how it goes. How long have you been drumming for? Right, ¿cuánto tiempo? You got baterista?
¿Cuánto tiempo llevo tocando?
Sí.
Yo llevo tocando 14 años.
14 years. Wow.
Sí,
Nice.
continuo.
And you play in Chile, in Brazil?
He tocado en Chile, en Brasil, en Colombia y en Nueva York.
Colombia, nice. I want to go there. Ooh. And I didn't ask you how long. How long have you been playing?
¿Cuánto tiempo también? 14 años.
The same, 14 years.
Comencé a los 19
Uh-huh.
y ya tipo llevaba 2 años y ya me dediqué a hacer clases, abandoné mi carrera universitaria y me dediqué a estudiar la percusión y ya tengo muchos proyectos ya realizados. Colaboré con la percusión en Perú, Colombia, Brasil, Chile. Actualmente dirijo uno que otro proyecto y estoy acá por mi tercera vez estudiando la percusión.
Hola! Tudo bem?
Motorista.
Olá, motorista. Can I go? Oh.
Quer vir aqui? Aqui, ó. Quem bagunçar não toca. Pode ir.
Alright, so we're in the middle of a favela, waiting for the truck to come. I have no idea where I am. Oh my god. But this is all good. We're with the crew. Wow.
Pero aí nada.
So we've come to the place where they get the instruments and where all the carnival preparations are going to go on. I see a funky hat there.
Quero comprar uma.
Essa é ótima.
5, 6 reais.
Aí tá vendo?
don't come to Salvador, they said, well, I'm in the middle of a favela in Salvador and the people here are the nicest. You know, I'm just chilling in a bar, which looks like someone's house. People in front of me just having a laugh, having to talk. They're so happy to hear that I'm from Morocco. They're like, yes, Africa is here. We're all African. It's just such a nice feeling here. I love it so much. Let me show you.
Sexta-feira na prova de Paulo Paulada. Sábado no caderno.
¿Veio vocês?
Oye, ya se ve lo que está viendo. Soy de Chile. Soy de Lo Bravo.
We're going to the truck? Yeah. Vamos a comenzar. So now we're walking. I don't know where. But we're walking to somewhere. Where are we walking? To the truck, yeah?
Nadie sabe dónde estamos.
No one
yo
knows.
sé dónde estamos.
No one knows, but we're walking in the middle of the favela. And I still don't know which one this is. I need to check on the maps, but there you go.
Nessa base aí. pirei, já pirei, já pirei, já pirei. Ei, 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 já pirei, já pirei, já pirei, já pirei. Ei, 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 eu já pirei, já pirei, já pirei, já pirei. Meu amigo Dona Nélia, eu já pirei, já pirei, já pirei. Eu vou encerrar, aí Alan, eu te quero só pra mim. Como é que é, galera? Esse nome é meu coração. Não me deixe só.